Danke bafethu. So umdlali we-Orlando Pirates laphana umbekezeli Mbokazi udlale e-Orlando Pirates I think from I think February la simbona khona first game yakhe adlala ne-SuperSport United, but washayina khona wabonisa ngempela ukuthi yabo is fearless, is brave, is strong, bravado personae there, akasabi ngempela egroundini yabo. So in terms of i-ball control ujwayele ama-long pass, angazi nokuthi bokuyi-strategy saka-coach ukuthi adlale lawo ma-long pass, but it's able to find abo-Relem Mofokeng just from a move, a straight pass. Uyawaluza amanye amabhola ukwaluza njengoba phela umuntu akekho perfect, uyafunda umfana get better and greater as isikhathi silokhu siqhubeka, but siyambona sonke umbekezeli Mbokazi ukuthi lo muntu lo unama-leadership skills. In terms of i-leadership uyambona ukuthi uyadeserve ngempela ukuthi abe yi-leader alapha ku-Orlando Pirates, cause even manje uyabona nje ukuthi if banida i-guidance or ukuthi kukhona umuntu oba-protect-ayo laphana, yababheka kuye umfana yabo. So u-excellent yabona uma kuthiwa khona umuntu odeserve izinto ezi-right in terms of like ebholeni, nguye umbekezeli Mbokazi, nama-fans amthanda kakhulu. I-future Bafana Bafana, in fact this year ngeke kuphele lo nyaka angadlalelanga iBafana Bafana umbekezeli Mbokazi yabo. Yes, uyaba nawo namaphutha ngoba usasemncane, akakabi that matured, but will get better and greater. Ngiyafisa abantu bangamphazamisi abaseceleni kwakhe. Danko bafowethu.